Dun and Bradstreet's main business credit score is called the Paydex score, which goes from 0 to 100. Paying on time gets you up to 80, but to hit 100, the maximum score, you have to pay your invoices early. That's one detail alone that puts you ahead of most businesses. Net 30 accounts are vendor accounts where you buy something, receive it, and have 30 days to pay the invoice. When you pay on time, the vendor reports that payment to the business credit bureaus. That payment history is what starts building your business credit score. The same way a credit card builds personal credit. The three vendors I'd start with are Uline, Quill, and Grainger. Here's what you need to know about each one. Uline sells packaging, shipping, and industrial supplies. They report to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian Business. No annual fee, no minimum order required for approval. One thing to know, if your LLC is brand new, meaning less than 30 days old, wait until you hit that 30-day mark before applying. Very new entities sometimes get flagged once you apply. Place an order of at least $50 so the payment gets reported. Pay it in full before the 30 days is up. Quill sells office supplies. They report to Dun and Bradstreet. No annual fee, but your business needs to be at least 30 days old, and your first order needs to be a minimum of $100. After that minimum, $50 per order. One thing to set expectations on, Quill takes 90 to 120 days after your first purchase before they actually report to the bureau. So open this account early and be patient. Grainger sells industrial and maintenance supplies and is one of the strongest accounts you can have because they report to all three bureaus: Dun, Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Business. Now the catch is Grainger ideally wants to see your business has been operating for at least 3 months. And if you're brand new, applying at the 3-month mark, having your DUNS number set up before you apply makes a real difference with Grainger. So the strategy here: open Uline and Quill first around day 30. Place small orders for things your business actually needs. Pay every invoice a few days early, not just on time. And here's something almost nobody talks about. Now, at month 3, your business credit file has started to take shape. That means you're ready for the step that unlocks real purchasing power, and this is where the strategy gets interesting.